Hi, this is Alex from Adult Services, and welcome to Intro to Freegal Music Database. In today's tutorial, you're going to learn how to use the Freegal database to look for music to stream or download. The first thing to do, open up your favorite web browser, type google.com, and then Fox Lake District Library, and enter. Then click on the Fox Lake District Library homepage. Then you're going to hover over where it says Digital Databases, click on Digital Databases, move down on the screen until you reach Freegal Music, and then click on the Freegal Music icon. And sign in. So you'll click on Login. You're going to enter your 14-digit number with no spaces, and then the last 4 digits of your number is your PIN. The last 4 digits of your library card. And then click Login. So let's say we wanted to look up Beethoven. It'll come up with the artists, the songs, the albums. Let's say we wanted to listen to classical best of Beethoven. You can click on one of the audio tracks, and it'll start to play. And then you can advance to the next track, just like a CD player. This is all the streaming. On the right-hand side, you have where you can download the tracks. You get 3 downloads a week. Streaming is unlimited. Streaming is when you're on the internet and you can keep listening to it. Downloads, it'll download that one individual song to your computer. So be aware where it downloads. And once the next week comes in, you'll be able to download another song. Okay, so let's say we wanted to search for a specific artist. Let's try John Denver. And enter. So they have the artist, John Denver. They have individual songs. You can click on an individual song. And then this song will take me to the album it's from. So the Essential John Denver, 36 songs. And if I click on the play right here, and then it'll start to play. And you can pause. And then you can do the right. And just to get to the different songs. And then if I wanted to download one, I would click on the download button to download to the computer. Remember, know where you're downloading the file so that you can save it in a safe spot. If you're on a personal device like a tablet or phone, it'll probably download into a music folder. You can always try to back it up onto a computer if you want, but just know where you download your file. And if you don't want to download, you can definitely keep streaming. That's the nice thing is they said unlimited streaming at this point in time. So that's how you search by an artist. So what else can we do? Let's say we didn't want to do a search. You can also go to your home page and you can check out our Fox Lake Public Library District playlist, which has 22 songs. So it has a list of different songs from different genres and artists. You click on View All. You'll get to try different ones. Click on the Home tab to get back to Home. Featured playlists. Maybe you wanted to see Thanksgiving playlist. And then they bring up a lot of different songs. You can browse. You can browse by top music videos, top audiobooks. You can click on New Arrivals. It'll say what's newly arrived. So by songs, albums, music videos, audiobooks, artists. You can select genres. So if you're into pop, rock, country, let's say we wanted to look at popular music, you can click on popular. You can, go at, so let's say top pop albums, view all. And if you see something that you like, you can click on it. And then again, you have everything for streaming on the left. And then this, it'll then take over. So if I click on, you can see how it then changes. It changes to that song. If I close this, it'll disappear. You click on the download. You can even add to a playlist. So I put in the top 3. You can create your own. So depending on what you're looking for, you can create your own playlist, give it a name, a description. So you can search by artist, you can search by genre. So if I type in the word classical, and I did a space, I could actually go with classical and do search, or I can take some of the suggested classical, like classical piano, and let's say we wanted to look at the album, view all, we can see what else is out there. Classical piano. And I click on that. And then we just pick a song to listen to. And you can pause it. You can advance to the next song. And it'll always show the title, how much time is remaining. And so you can do a lot of streaming. And if it's something you wanted to download, you click on the download. So that's the search feature. You can also, so that's a basic introduction to using the Freegal database. If you have any questions, you can always click on the need help, and you can send a request to Freegal, or there's a frequently asked questions section, and then they talk about different things, so you can check on that. Thank you for coming to today's program. Stay tuned for future programs on social media like Facebook, our YouTube channel, and any updates on our website. And thank you for coming to today's tutorial, and have a good day.